Well, welcome everybody to the Knowledge Series. We're going to be doing several articles and blogs and videos on these 9 activities within Archibus. We believe that Archibus is a single platform that can actually take any disaster from beginning to end, from identification all the way through reoccupation of a site or a building. And with that, I have with us the Workplace Maven Alliance, which consists of Infonaris, Online FM, Robotech, CAD Solutions, IMS Consulting, RSC, and all 5 of us are certified Archibus business partners. This infographic shows us the 9 modules or activities within Archibus that we believe can provide probably the only solution in the world that can take a disaster from beginning to end, starting with 1 all the way through 9. The first thing in any pandemic is report the incident. So we find out that someone has gone home because they're not feeling well, and we can report that and track that within Archibus. And we'll have a series later on where we will show how that's done. It goes anywhere from just reporting what happened, where it happened. It can go into what were the activities that were used to identify whether they should go home, what the cause was, did they go to the hospital, what was the treatments afterwards. We can even track and set a time for them to come back to work and where they would come back to work.
The integration of the applications in Archibus and your data are actually key. When you report an accident using the environmental health and safety application, it goes across all modules. You have location to that person, you have a person that is doing the report, you have a group of people in a location that are affected, you may have assets involved, you may have work orders involved. So here everything plays together on a single database with a single interface to help you cope with all the above.
And this is a great example of Archibus as an organization stepping up through the COVID-19 pandemic. With this application currently being free to any customer that is current on their software subscription, the hope is that you'd be able to use this to help you track any COVID incidents. But think about it from a bigger picture of once COVID's behind us, hopefully sooner rather than later, you'll then still have this environmental health and safety application, which is one of the most powerful, robust applications within the Archibus suite of applications to use for other incident tracking. So we would encourage you to make sure you get this free application while you can and leverage it not just through the follow through of the pandemic, but moving forward as you manage your organization and your space.
In addition to incident tracking, you can also track response such as personal property equipment, as well as training that needs to be issued and completed by your employees to confirm that the response to any incident or to this any incident within this pandemic is handled appropriately.
Thanks for being a part of this and allowing us to be a part of your day-to-day.